Namaste. So today we will study about general sciences. Let's see skin receptor. Your skin and deep tissue contain millions of sensory receptors. Most of your touch receptors sit close to your skin surface. So touch receptor, fine touch, masonal corpuscles are enclosed in a capsules of connective tissue. They react to light touch and are located in the skin of your palm, sole, hip, eyelid, external genital and the nipple. These areas of your body are particularly sensitive. Markle disc found deep at the junction of epidermis and dermis. Root hair plexus at the base of hair follicle. Touch receptor, pressure sensitive, Pacinian corpuscle sense pressure and vibration change deep in your skin. Every square centimeter of your skin contain around 14 pressure receptor. Pacinian corpuscles, deep pressure sensors, onion shaped capsule, layers of 7 cells enclosed in a connective tissue membrane responds to on-off pressure or vibration. Ruffini and crosses and bulb. The encapsulated pressure sensor dermis responds to continuous pressure. Then pain. Skin receptor register pain. Pain receptor are the most numerous. Each square centimeter of your skin contain around 200 pair receptor. Temperature. Skin receptor registered warm and cold. Each square centimeter of your skin contains 6 receptors for cold and 1 receptor for warm. Cold receptors start to perceive cold sensation when the surface of the skin drops below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. They are most stimulated when the surface of the skin is at 77 degrees Fahrenheit and are no longer stimulated when the surface of the skin drops below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. This is why your feet or hands start go numb when they are submerged in icy water for a long time of period. So, hot receptors start to perceive hot sensation when the surface of the skin rises above 86 degrees Fahrenheit and are most stimulated at 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Beyond 113 degrees Fahrenheit, pain receptors take over to avoid damage being done to the skin and underlying tissue. Thermoreceptors are found all over the body, but cold receptors are found in greater density than heat receptor. Most of the time of our environment is colder than our body temperature. The highest concentration of the thermoreceptor can be found in the face, ear, so your nose and ear always get colder faster than the rest of your body on a chilly winter day. Next is the proprioceptor, stretch receptor located in the joint, ligament and tendon. Maintain some degree to continuous contraction or muscle tone. Muscle spandrel, modified muscles fiber with sensory nerve ending wrapped around the middle. Detect, stretch and stimulate a reflex contraction. Think about banging on your patellar ligament and watching your knee jerk up the quadriceps contraction in the response to the stretch of the patellar ligament, which stretch muscle spindle to cause them to relax so they do not oppose the contraction of the quadriceps. So, pain receptor is nociceptor. Somatic nociceptors from skin and skeletal muscles. Visceral nociceptors from receptors that help maintain internal homeostatic response to stress, lack of oxygen, chemical release from the damaged cell, and inflammatory cell. Referred pain, visceral pain afferent travel along the same pathway as somatic pain afferent. So sometimes the brain interrupt the visceral pain as the more common somatic pain. Example, often pain that from the heart felt during a heart attack is received as a pain that originated in the left arm. So hope you will understand the nociceptor, and this video will helpful for you to about more about the pain and their receptor. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.